In Osama City, you're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
We would like to acknowledge, of course, the presence of Attorney Jason Bandal. Is he here? Let's give him a big round of applause. Yes, he's here po. Okay, Lisa Chelsea, sir. Okay. Alright. And of course, okay, as for the information of everyone, Attorney Jason Bandal is the labor arbiter and IBP champion, okay? From Dumaguete. Palapakinawan natin, wow, okay? So, ito pala ay isang national event, Mayor, wow. And congratulations to the efforts and support, okay, from the team Ascenso, of course, no, by the supervision of our governor in Misamis Occidental. So maraming salamat. This will not be pushed through without their initiative. Okay, Grandmaster, Asia's first Grandmaster, Regent Torre. How are you po? Kumusta po yung travel natin here in Misamis Occidental? Pwede po ba tayo tumaya, Sir Regent? Alright, kumusta po?
Very smooth yung flight. Pacific flight. Nahina naman kasi at 10 plus yung flight. Yung Philippine Airlines kasi paaba. So, okay. And of course, sa ganda ng flight namin, dahil sa dating very welcome. And then, this is an opportunity na kita-kita lahat ng mga chess lovers. Oo, ihira yung ganito. Nakikita kami. Na napakarami ha. And lahat ng mga edad ang dito. Mga kabataan, and all that. And yung mga seniors. Yan din. Seniors, katulad ko. Kaya nagkagad ka naman sa chess eh. Ang chess ay para sa mga kabataan, sa lahat na edad, pati mga seniors. Actually, sa mga seniors, kailangan na mag-chess para pag hindi kasi baka magka-Alzheimer kami. Very important physically rin and mentally. Kaya ako pa-walking para hindi lang yung mental, kailangan physical.
Alright, palapakan po natin ang ating Grandmaster. Alright, thank God for a safe trip, alright? And then, of course, looking forward. So, justice for everyone, alright? So, for all ages po ito. So, that's why, with the initiative of City of Misamis in celebration of the 76th City Charter Anniversary, okay, the city actually provide this platform for these ages that our Grandmaster mentioned. Alright, coming na po ang ating Aman. Okay, he's here na po. Everybody, let us all stand to acknowledge the arrival of the father of Misamis Occidental. Ladies and gentlemen, our innovative Governor of Misamis Occidental. We have Governor Henry S. Romanal. Palakpakan po natin, participants. Alright, here. Our governor is here. Alright, this is the second Henry S. Romanal Chess Festival. Palakpakan naman natin dyan.
pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Alright, everyone please be seated. Maayong buntag! Alright, and for our participants, coming from Luzon, magandang umaga, okay? Alright, meron ba dito from South Korea, anyong? Alright, anyong po at anyong tubig daw, alright? Okay, so there you go, ladies and gentlemen. We are here gathered to witness the much anticipated chess battle right here at the heart of Misamis Occidental, Misamis City. And we are here, no, convened together in Aya Hotel and Residences in Clarin. Of course, this is through the efforts of Ascenso Misamis Occidental Federated Chess Association in coordination with the provincial government of Misamis Occidental, 2nd Congressional District Office, and local government unit of Misamis in celebration of the 76th City Charter Anniversary and Feast of Nuestra Señora de la Concepción y del Triunfo de mi Camino. So we're thrilled to have each and every one of you here today, okay, in the second Governor Henry S. Waminal Chess Festival. Let's give it a round of applause, ladies and gents. Are you all excited? Yes, definitely a yes coming from everyone, alright? So from our list, we are overwhelmed with the massive number of attendees from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So to give you the numbers, ladies and gents, we actually have 142 participants for the elementary category. Let's give that a big round of applause for the huge success, okay? And then of course, 78 participants coming from or under the high school category. Wow, okay? And for the open category, ladies and gents, we have 90 participants, okay? A two-day event, so July 9 until tomorrow. Of course, we are enjoying with esteemed national chess champions. Okay, let us request them to please stand. Palakpakan po natin sila, alright? And of course, this promises to be an exhilarating day filled with strategic moves and intense competition. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, please join me in welcoming a leader who has continually championed our city's growth and development. Please give our most resounding applause for his welcome address. Ladies and gentlemen, our ever dynamic and young city mayor, Attorney Henry Indy F. Waminal Jr. There you go.
Thank you, ma'am. And mayong buntag sa tanan. Good morning to everyone, to all our competitors. Before anything else, I want to give my deepest respects, gratitude, and appreciation sa tuang very special guests who are joining us today. First of all, first special guest na to, he is Asia's first Grandmaster. And I want to highlight na dili lang siya mo'y first Grandmaster sa Asia, from the Philippines, but from Asia po yun, no? In 2022, he was also inducted to the World Chess Hall of Fame. I remember when I was still young, I was still in elementary, I was still in high school, like these kids, competitors nato diri sa tubangan karon. I used to only read about him sa ato tuang mga history books. I would only hear about him in class as one of the icons of Philippine sports. It's very fortunate for us nga kamo mga kabatalunan karon, you children right now, sorry, no, we have competitors outside of Osamis. No, you don't only get to hear about him, you don't only get to read about him, you also get to meet him and see him play in person. No, a Philippine chess legend, a world chess legend, Grandmaster Eugene Torre. Of course, I also want to recognize and give credit, no, to his partner. Nga, as you can see, GM Eugene is still very healthy and active. No, halatang halata na he is being taken well care of. No, and I believe, no, without his partner, he would not have been able to achieve everything that he has achieved today. No, his better half, no, Ma'am Maria Lina, or you can call her Babushka, meaning grandmother in Russian, Torre. Ma'am, she's here with us. We'll get to meet her soon, I'm sure, as she takes pictures of us and ang iyang beloved husband, of course, no. And we're also lucky to be joined by so many chess masters. No? And I will have to recognize them one by one also. And I'm happy to share na they are already familiar faces po. Familiar faces also here in Osamis City, in Misamis Occidental. Because it's no longer the first time that they are joining us here in our province. No? Our Grandmasters, I'll start with Grandmaster Rogelio Antonio, 13-time Philippine champion. Grandmaster Darwin Lelo, a Philippine team member, team of the UST coach chess team, and rather coach of the UST chess team, and former national junior champion. We are also joined by a very young champion. Definitely, GM Eugene, I think he is a future Grandmaster as well. He is Philippine champion at the ripe age of 19 years old. Teenager pa lang. No. International Master Daniel Quezon of Cavite. We also have a national junior champion, also hailing from Cavite, International Master Michael Concho. Another champion. Makikita nyo, we're very blessed na ang dami natin kasamang champions today. No? Former East Asian champion. No? Also from Cavite, International Master Eric Labo. Coach of the national chess team, also from Cavite, FIDE Master Ruel Abelgas. Member of the Philippine chess team on multiple occasions for the Chess Olympiad, and former coach of the UP chess team, International Master Ronald Banford. He is there somewhere. Uyog na kong gapo, no? Former Asian Under-16 champion and a national junior champion in chess. No? Hailing from Surigao, FIDE Master Vince Alaan. Ako ang defending champion sa Osamis City Charter Day Celebration Chess Festival He was here with us last year, and he was the overall winner. From Cebu, International Master Joel Pimentel. Na sa boards, ready na to compete. Ug ang atuang champion sa first ever Governor Henry S. Waminal Chess Festival that was held last November, hailing from Bacolod, PD Master Elan Asuela. Nakita nyo yung mga defending champion natin nung nakahanda na sila, nakaupo na sila sa mga boards nila, very ready to defend their crowds. He is known as the Blitz King of Philippine chess, PD Master David Elorta from Manila. And ang IBP champion and top executive of Philippine chess, hailing from Negros, Attorney Jason Bangal. Former UAAP champion, playing for the Green Team, the Green Archers from De La Salle University in Taft, from Davao del Norte, Jason Salubre. And last but not the least, Misamis Oriental and Northern Mindanao's perennial champion, Jonel Balkin. I want to recognize, of course, also the leaders of the province, the city, and our sister municipality, officials and employees of the LGUs who make our activity today possible. Let me start with, of course, with our host municipal mayor. Siguro some of you might want to ask that why we are celebrating the Osamis City 76th Charter Day. But why are we having one of our activities, the second Governor Henry S. Waminal Chess Competition here in the municipality of Clarin? Well, to answer that question, other than it was upon the request of our organizers, here in the province of Misamis Occidental, we belong to one and the same political and public service family, that is of Team Ascenso. And we have extended this partnership officially and legally through the execution of sisterhood agreements. So us in Osamis City, we are officially and legally siblings of our co-constituents in the municipality of Clarin, which is our sister municipality. And that is why when we asked the mayor of Clarin, our vice mayor and the municipal council of Clarin, if we could have our second Governor Henry S. Waminal chess competition in their municipality, without hesitation, they agreed, as it is part of our collaborative efforts and sharing of resources to make sure that all activities in the province are successful. So let us give a big round of applause for our municipal mayor, Mayor Jojo Roa. Yung mga kasama ko, mga kapamilya ko sa LGU of Osamis City naman, I always take the time to introduce them individually as well, because everything we have accomplished in Osamis, and I will no longer enumerate them today, would not be possible if we did not have the support and efforts of our equally hardworking Osamis City Council. And masabi ko lang po ngayon, our Vice Mayor, she is not in attendance with us today because sa sipag niya and sa passion niya for working for the city, nakalimutan niya, kasi lagi rin niya akong sinasabayan at my young age of 32, Vice Mayor is already 70 plus, sinasabayan rin niya yung pagkagising ko sa madaling araw na, tulog ko sa gabi na, No? So nakalimutan niya na she has to be more mindful of her health, kaya nagka-hyperacidity, bumaba yung blood pressure. But she's very well okay and stable right now. But I just pointed that out, no, to show how dedicated our Vice Mayor is of Osami City. Vice Mayor Simplicia Bibineri and our city councilors who are with us today. I will start from the rightmost. Councilor Linda Bation, Councilor Kat Lim, Councilor Cecil To, Councilor Lorly Fuentes Cipres, Councilor Sunny Waminal, Councilor Junjun Sakin, Councilor Attorney Mars Tapayan, Councilor Dinky Suizo. And, of course, the person, the father of the entire province, is in whose name we gave this chess competition today. No? That with this holistic approach to governance, no? It's one of the reasons why we're all gathered here today. And I just want to talk about this holistic approach that I mentioned. Si Gov Henry, no, and I'm sure Mayor Jojo here can affirm what I will say, no, is very demanding of us mayors, as he always pushes us to make sure that our programs, projects, and activities will not only touch upon one sector of society, but all the sectors of society and all the aspects, no, that we have to look into and govern. Right now, Misamis Occidental is known for its booming infrastructure. But Gov Henry does not limit the projects, programs, and activities to infrastructure alone. He has also ensured that our healthcare programs and services here in Misamis Occidental is not only competent, well-equipped, but dependable, in the sense that any Misamisnon will rest assured that if he needs healthcare services, they have a government that they can run to. But aside from healthcare, our leader also pushes us to serve the agricultural sector, our social services sector, our education sector, tanan sectors, and that is why I will tell you, kami ni Mayor Jojo, kami ng mga mayors din sa Misamis Occidental, every time we meet with Gov Henry, we always prepare, we always have our reports ready. No, that's one of our requirements. Every time we see him, we should be ready to report to him what we have accomplished, what we have achieved in the many sectors that we have to govern. And that is why in the sector of economics, I'm sure si Mayor Jojo Oroa can proudly share that it was during his term that the venue, the hotel that we are staying in, that we are holding this activity in right now, Aya Hotel and Residences, was open and served the public during his term. Other sectors that go, that our provincial leader pushes us to serve. Kay multi-sectoral and holistic approach nga yung gusto niya dito sa probinsya is the sports and tourism sector. And it's in the service of those two sectors that we have our activity today. Before I forget, I also want to acknowledge, when I was younger, he was one of those who introduced me to chess, as he would always play with us, his nephews, during family gatherings. He is now the city administrator of Osami City, Attorney Sam Norman Fuentes. Also played a key role together with the other department heads of Osami City in organizing this event. But as I was saying, Gov Henry does not content himself with serving, with coming up with projects, programs, and activities in the basic sectors.